Hi, I'm Eric. So you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Must-have number 1, low maintenance yard. You don't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because every home in Palmetto Row will have lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 2, updated design finishes. These homes will have hardy board exteriors, which means less maintenance year-round. And inside, you'll be able to pick your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. You'll start by choosing a floor plan with 1 or 2 car garage, 3 bedrooms, and up to 1,800 square feet, giving you enough room to spread out to host friends and family. Must-have number 3, convenient location. This community is just 1 mile from charming downtown Summerville, where you can spend the day browsing the historic sites and shops, or grab lunch at one of many local restaurants. If I've checked everything off the list, take the next step and come see us, and I can't wait to welcome you home.